there has been no increase in ceasefire violations. This year, there has been none. At least in the Kashmir Valley, there has been zero, and therefore I must tell you that while we are totally prepared for any ceasefire violation, if anything happens, we are all set to respond appropriately. But frankly, there has been no instigation from across the border. There has been some attempts, unlike previous years, which has not been adequately supported by Singh. There have been hardly any successful attempts. There have been, as per my knowledge, only about 2 attempts have succeeded. One was neutralized, as you are well aware, in Bandipur, and we are looking for the second one, which has been successful. There has been an operation which has been ongoing for last about 24 hours in Uri, in which we felt that there is an infiltration attempt which has been made. We are looking for them. Are they on this side, or they, after having made an attempt, they have gone back? That issue has not yet been clarified or verified on the ground. But however, I can assure you that we are quite alert. Our troops on the ground are totally alert, and we will ensure that minimal infiltration takes place whenever the attempt. 60 से 70 के आसपास, 70 के आसपास जहाँ पे पाकिस्तानी टेररिस्ट होने की संभावना है, और ठीक है, वो उनका जो नज़रिया है, उनकी जो स्ट्रैटेजी है, वो ये है कि हम आगे बढ़ के कोई टेररिस्ट अटैक नहीं करेंगे, मगर हम जो लोकल यूथ है उसको किसी न किसी तरह मोटिवेट करके कोई ना कोई एक्शन कराएंगे, कोई ना कोई यंग आदमी को, जवान को, यूथ को उसके हथियार दे करके उसे किसी तरह से एनकाउंटर में उसको मरवाएंगे। उससे उनका फ़ायदा है। फ़ायदा ये है कि एक यंग लड़का हमारे देश का, हमारे कश्मीर का जब मारा जाता है, फायर यू आर सेफ, you will be kept safe. There is enough effort. I am not looking at questions on Taliban or foreign terrorists or local terrorists. For us, it has got nothing to do with the quality and quantity. If there is a gentleman who picks up a weapon, he'll be neutralized either way, either by getting killed or by apprehended. And if he comes and offers surrender, we'll take surrender. Which is primarily, I have been reaching out through you all, that we have to ensure that the families come out, reach out to the young ones who have been misled, and they should be allowed to surrender by motivating them and come out to be a responsible citizen of the country. There cannot be a better opportunity as on today to ensure that they can fall back to the civil society